Welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen, my friends. Well, today we're going to talk about something that can change your life. Knowing that chronic inflammation can impact your overall health and including your weight, I am going to share with you 5 key potent anti-inflammatory elements to consider when choosing your breakfast and beyond. Number 1, prebiotics and probiotics. They are crucial to maintaining a healthy gut with a strong microbiome. Now, this means that you can reduce inflammation by having a healthy gut. There is plenty of information on my blog about prebiotics and probiotics, but in short, probiotics are the good bacteria, and they are living organisms. And just like any living creature, they need food to survive. So probiotics eat prebiotics. This is why it's important to have prebiotics in your diet as well. As a weight loss expert and registered dietitian nutritionist with more than 20 years of experience, I recommend to eat probiotic foods every day. Yeah, you heard me right. Every day. You don't need a lot, just a little bit of probiotic foods like Greek yogurt, cultured cottage cheese, kefir, and fermented vegetables. Now, prebiotics, you can eat them throughout the week. Number 2, eat foods high in phytonutrients and antioxidants. These are found in colorful fruits and vegetables, and even quinoa. Adding a variety of these to your breakfast can help your body fight off inflammation and oxidative stress right from the start of the day. I recommend you eat fruits and vegetables as much as you can, but make sure you change the color. So, for example, if you have an orange, later have a purple carrot. Each different color of fruits and vegetables and even whole grains provide different phytonutrients. Therefore, you get an array of health benefits. Think red, orange, yellow, white, green, purple, beige, and black. Number 3. My friend, fiber. Aside from keeping your digestive system running smoothly, fiber can also play a role in reducing inflammation. Check my video about the different types of fiber: insoluble, soluble, and fermentable fiber. Whole grains like oats, barley, farro, and quinoa are excellent sources of fiber. And of course, fruits and vegetables also containing plenty of fiber. If you have noticed, I already mentioned fruits and vegetables twice, in number 2 and in number 3. They might play an important role. Number 4, an essential nutrient the Americans are not eating enough: omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy and powerful fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. You can find omega-3 foods like in salmon, mackerel, trout, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. And in one of my favorite ready-to-drink smoothie, EO3, enhanced omega-3, with outstanding nutrition offerings. Number 5, monounsaturated fats. These fats found in foods like avocados, olive oil, and almonds can help target visceral fat, the type of fat that is linked to inflammation. Please watch my videos on visceral fat. I have plenty of them. Incorporating these type of fats in your breakfast can help you feel full and support your weight management goals. Now, if you need some breakfast ideas that are anti-inflammatory, no worries, I have you covered. Visit my blog, Villacorta.com, and find these 5 recipes. My 3-meal replacement smoothies made with kefir, Greek yogurt, and cultured cottage cheese. These smoothies provide probiotics, prebiotics, and fiber. My mango Greek yogurt smoothie bowl, so delicious. Blueberry, walnut, and red rice air fryer stuffed bell peppers, paired with 2 fried eggs. Salad for breakfast? Yes, bring it on, with chickpea avocado salad with a high-protein dressing. And my broccoli, red bell pepper, and black rice egg muffin cups. To summarize, eating the foods that I recommended can help you reduce inflammation or fight inflammation and manage your weight and feel great. And eating an anti-inflammatory breakfast is a powerful way to start your day. If you like what you're seeing, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next nutrition tips, topics, and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and live a healthy, vibrant life.